Hello school and college students. Today we learn about what is a pen drive and how many types available. A pen drive, also known as a USB flash drive, is a small portable storage device that uses flash memory to store digital data. It is a type of non-volatile memory, which means that data is retained even when the power is turned off. A pen drive consists of a small printed circuit board with a USB connector at one end and a memory chip at the other end. It can be inserted into a USB port on a computer or other device to transfer data between them. There are several types of pen drives available in the market, including 1. Standard pen drive. These are the most common type of pen drive, and they come in different storage capacities, ranging from a few megabytes to several gigabytes. 1. They are suitable for storing documents, photos, music, and videos. 2. Secure pen drive. These pen drives come with built-in encryption software that provides additional security to the data stored on them. 2. They are suitable for storing sensitive information, such as financial data or personal information. 3. High-speed pen drive. These pen drives have faster read and write speeds than standard pen drives, making them suitable for transferring large files or multimedia content. 4. OTG pen drive. These pen drives come with an additional connector that allows them to be used with mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. 4. They can be used to transfer data between a mobile device and a computer or to expand the storage capacity of a mobile device. 5. Novelty pen drive. These pen drives come in a variety of shapes and designs, such as animals, cartoon characters, or musical instruments. 5. They are often used as novelty gifts or promotional items. The choice of a pen drive depends on the user's requirements for storage capacity, speed, security, compatibility, and design. Pen drives are a popular and convenient way to store and transfer data between devices, and they are widely used by individuals, businesses, and organizations. Thank you friends for watching my video.